in Corralejo, it's November, and the ever-popular annual Kite Festival returns, drawing families together from all over Europe. Helping to represent British kite flyers in this multinational spectacular is Dick Abbs of KiteWeekenders.com.
Great to be chatting with you here at such a spectacular event, a regular event that happens here on Fuerteventura. How long have you been participating in flying these spectacular kites?
17 years. This is one of the events we go to from Britain. It's certainly my favourite event.
Are these optimal conditions for flying a kite today?
Today now is absolutely perfect. It's about 12, 13 miles an hour now. That's lovely.
What's your schedule like?
We've normally all met up in the Chinese restaurant in the High Street on the Saturday night prior to the Kite Festival. This year there's about 10 from the UK here, about 40 from Germany. We've got a small contingent from Finland as well, half a dozen this year. Normally we're about 130 strong.
How many kites do you personally own?
I just bring a suitcase full of kites and I make kites specifically to fit in a suitcase. I suppose I've got well over 100 kites and I've made them all.
Where do all these kites come from? Do people make them or?
There's a huge mixture. Lots and lots and lots of the kites you see here are originals, homemade. They're all around certain basic principles. Stick kites are anyway. Inflatable kites, most of them do not fly at all. They are simply hoisted on a line by a lifter kite that does fly.
So yours is kind of more true.
Mine fly.
So the days of tying a handkerchief on the tail of a kite, that's not completely done with. Still works.
Still works perfectly, and they are super fun, and you can pick up things out of the rubbish bin and make a good flying kite.